Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Suhan Mr. Bas, 17th of September and it's Wednesday, a big day. FOMC meeting is today and the rate cut decision will be there. So it's all about how to act on this day. Let me show you mine, how will I do and will act in things. This is Bitcoin chart and before that we had previous analysis on Bitcoin as well. If you are following my previous videos and see like analysis, so price was there, this was the daily order block and a weekly trend line curve was forming up here, this one nicely, and this was the best previous resistance, so we tapped here and then we are going up, and from that demand we are almost up like 7-8%. But this was a very choppy and shit was there. Everything was happening around this zone. So let's begin with some new levels, some new shit trading. What's going on and what will be the impact of that at today's meeting. So overall structure is looking good. Not there is nothing way very much on the structure here. We were making lower lows, lower high, again lower low, sorry, higher low, and then higher highs in making. So high make sweep, and then internally structure was broken up, lower low, lower high, lower not a prominent lower low. So now it is on lower high. So basically, we are at this. If you know me and you are following me, this line I have marked for several days that this will be our resistance, current resistance, and it's yesterday night it acted as a resistance. So structure wise, lower low, lower high, and it's a lower low. I will not count this lower high. This is internally so lower low, and this is also a lower high. So basically, what is this going on higher time frame? Is this that we should go above this level, stabilizes here, and then our higher time frame structure will again become bullish, and we will target these highs and our 130 and 140 zone once again. So right now we are at very crucial point at resistance. So price is already in for the FOMC meeting. What's going on and what will be our target for that? So I will mark the important levels here right now in front of you guys here. This was a previous SR level. We flipped it. This is the important one. This daily demand already tapped, so I will not mark it. Daily resistance is important, so I will mark this and keep on my chart until unless it flipped. This resistance is playing out. If daily closes like this, then this will be invalid because it tapped already, and the new resistances and what I say, new resistance and supports will be formed. So this is the important key level below here, above here, and then the final resistance is this one. So right now I don't need it to market when price will came up here, then we will see. But this is the important resistance here as well. Going back to the lower time frame like H4, H3, there is nothing on H4. Where is H4? H4, there is something on H4. This is a key level. Just above key level, we had our beautiful H4 demand here, lowering time frame to H2. H2 is also the same one. I see little bit of like here a liquidity. Clone it up once more. I see another one as well, which is here. So double decker liquidity is lying behind below, and we tapped this one here. Resistance also tapped exactly, nicely, perfectly, and liquidity is below here. Demand is also below here. What else we all need here is this impulse. Okay, going with this OTE. Okay, OTE 0.71 mid golden pocket also lying here. Another, what should I do here? Okay, MPUC of the whole range. I will first mark the MPUC of the whole range. Okay, this is lying below, and this is the value area high. Okay, what about this zone? This is above. What about this zone? So this zone, right now, value area high is here somewhere. So lower time frame scalp. So what to do on Bitcoin today? First of all, place bids here. I will placing my bids here. This is my setup. Going with this top, and you can go with this top as well. And then we will target whatever high here. Let's suppose this is the high. I will target this one for now until proven wrong. And you can place one bid here, second bid somewhere here to DCA your uh, position. So this is the first setup here. Right now we are at important daily resistance. So we'll check whether I have key levels like weekly high, lows, previous week highs, lows, and yes, I have some on my chart, which is, that means, okay, Monday high, daily open, and previous week high. So all highs are here, swept and reclaimed as well. So basically lower time frame structure showing me a short here. Monday low till Monday low. Like at one, if you see that, I don't know you guys got that structure or not by first looking at it, but I got it, which is this FEG here. So a reaction into this FEG, I will see daily highs. Okay, daily high also already swept here. Liquidity pending, liquidity pending, pending. This swept, not swept. Okay, going back to H2 is might. So what should we do here? We can do something like this and this, or this, and this, no, or this. And stop here, target this liquidity. This is a daily scan. Okay. Mhm. This is what I see here right now. Remove, give you exact. No. Yes. 7, 116 and 760. And the stop loss. No, I will place stop loss above this high. I will strategize to somewhere here, like 450, 450. And what will be the target? This one will be the target at 3.54 R. Basically, it's at resistance. If you see this, you will say, why are you not marking this demand? Yes, this is also a demand, but extreme PUI is for shorts. There are, like, we are at resistance, so I will prefer shorts instead of longs. So that's why I am not looking at that resistance, and look at this shit here that can pop up anytime soon. So yeah, we will see this one here as a 3.54 R. If it plays just below FOMC, I will bid. Like, New York opening is in 3 minutes. Yes. if it went up here just before FOMC and started to close down, I will play this one. Otherwise, I am not in the short. Now, back to the important point, which is FOMC, which is why I am recording it today. So what happened on FOMC? FOMC is today deciding a rate cut. Rate cuts are actually interest rates which they cut and they look at them for every month, like their meeting arranges every month to check whether it should be increased or decreased based on the data like CPI, PPI, unemployment rates, and all that shit. So they increase or decrease this value by some margin by looking at the previous data. So now, right now, I don't know what was the exactly. It is exactly, I think, current. Let me check. It is typically the mission for the solid cost It is at 4.25 to 4.5 BPS right now. So what are the expectations from the market? So how it plays out? Fed rate higher if they increase the rate. Market bearish. Fed rate lower. Market bullish. So when they increase the rate, market act as a bearish. So when they decrease the rate, market act as a bullish. So now there are two things people are every trader is expecting. Many people are expecting that we are getting decrease of 25 BPS. How will market react? So simply by definition, market will be bullish. If we get 25 BPS, it will be like choppy. We got dump and quickly pumped up, something like this. If we get decrease of 50 BPS, then that's a bullish, way much bullish. So I don't think so. We get a $100 dump on that as well. So it will straight. It will go up towards higher levels. And if we get like no cuts, how market will react? Nothing. There is nothing. Simply PA will work as it. So this is how things will work today, and you have to keep eye on Fed meeting today. It's at 11 p.m. with me at Pakistani Standard Time. So just after like New York also opened here. So pump on New York remains one of the bearish signals as well. So if it pumped here, I am going to short. Yes, New York opened. We will see. There are chances that he swept here. There are chances it pumped out because this liquidity is scrapped. Yeah, Ukraine has already begun. Why people look at New York opening and closing? Because it's a international market and big market. So they do like this was the M1 opening here, and look at it. It should pump. According to me, it should pump today towards these levels and then dump. If it pumped like open New York open here, it started to go up. That's the first sign for me to trigger my short here. Because most of the time when New York open pumps, it usually get retraced back. So most of the time, not necessarily it will work today as well, but this is a myth and I will work on that myth today. Has fair, Wali. Back to the higher time frame analysis, a good push up, start back, look at this. Now, what if cuts happened and we got a pump. This is the resistance. Don't forget about this 119. Big resistance here. Big dump if coming. Big support here. 108, 200. If something you got here or below here, but buy it. Okay, back to Ethereum. What is Ethereum going to do with this shit? Ethereum doesn't have much things on chart. I don't think so. This was the range. This is a range. Lower time frame yesterday range. So what do you expect from Ethereum in this range? This is a Monday low as well. So I will give you a quick brief on higher time frame. This is a D support I marked there, already marked there. This is a lower time frame demand here on just under D support. This is a range high and this you can act as a range low. So we are pretty much in range. Lower time frame we have this internal liquidity. Internal liquidity will be grabbed sooner or later, and the way Bitcoin is at resistance and showing weakness, and Ethereum showing its liquidities here. So there are chances that we can grab down here. And if it comes down towards this zone like 40, 50, 80 zone like this, something like this, I am going to long this it. I will long Ethereum, especially Ethereum. Like this is my setup. I have placed these bids like from months ago and these are still there. This is still valid. So range low, something like this, what I expect. Come here, down here, then come down and then go up. A deviation below. Range low, market long, and then bang. This is Ethereum. Important for alts. What's going with alts here? Alts, this is the important chart on alts I have already given a few days back. The analysis on art what's going to happen here. If you are not in Discord, by the way, get in into it. We have this all free section for you guys. These are the traders. They give trade every day, every other month. This is the premium one and we got a premium trade. If you wanna copy it, copy it. Will fee it is. These are the entries, exact points. Free trade I gave you from premium. This trader will be not happy with this. Okay, total three reason behind all pump and resistance will reject. So what was my thought on the total three was that we were here. So 2 3 days back, alts were pumping very good. So that was the reason this was at resistance and it flipped that big chunk of resistance here. So I was expecting a leg down and retest in this zone. So I said to my gamblers that I will be sidelined because it had resistance. Then yesterday and day before yesterday, market crashed a bit. Alts are struggling. That's the reason it was taking its pullback and it retested yesterday really good. So if it sustains there, alts will perform very good in next few weeks again once more. So yes, here is support. We get tapped here. We got bounced. So lower time frame I don't see actually on this charts. On these charts, I don't believe on lower time frame. So daily is good. So yes, I will see if it sustains here, a strength in alts, I will long alts all the way. If it came down towards this trend line as well, I will still long the alts. So total three is showing strength here. Other than that, USDT dominance, BTC dominance doesn't very much give me something like this. So what's going on? बलम मेरे चीटर हो गए. I was expecting a pump it dumped. That's the fukre we will see in our entire life. So they will come here first. Okay, let's see. Dump on your pump afterwards. Who knows? Anyways, this is higher time frame I give you. Once we sustain above this level here, we are good to go up. Below there, cautious. Below there, cautious until we get these demand steps. So this is it, a quick FOMC brief analysis for you guys. I didn't give you like, okay, 25%, we are going up, we are going down, I am sidelined. No, I gave you the charts. I explained analysis on everything, like these are the possibilities. I show you the liquidities, where are the pendings, what are the key levels, and what should we next expect from the market on charts. What are the charts telling us? So I give you all the data here. Now sit back on your charts and analyze according to yourself. If something fits according to your strategy during the event, bid on it and go with strict stop loss, 1% risk, because the reward will be good today. The reward will be good if you are risking 1%, and if you bid in right direction, your return might be more than 10% in few minutes, like 15-20 minutes, and you will be done for the whole month and khali wali. That's it. Don't be fucking sidelined every time, sidelined every time, sidelined. Be opportunistic. Risk management, risk management, risk management. Now opportunity management. So if you got an opportunity during event, don't be afraid to bid. Bid on it. If you rely on signals, shut up. This is not for you. Keep sideline. If you are trader and looking for trades and trust on this charts and trust on process, then bid. So this is it from my side. Inshallah, see you next weekend, maybe, maybe not. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.